Tell me if you still love it. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? One-on-one, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this home. Then again, I could be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll a dice since I pick. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Oh girl, yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you been fighting for your shot, and you been searching for your spot. Girl, I feel it. Yeah, girl, I feel it. Yeah. Oh, you think you got your groove, but you want someone like you. Tell me if you still love it. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? One-on-one, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before. I had you right this home. And again, I can be drunk. Yeah. I know, mommy, I know. It's 2 a.m., no stress. At 3, that bullshit kick in. At 30, you feel your best. I turn my whole spot to crucial. It's crucial the way I left. But theirs is like a law. I know it just be the best. I'm looking at her and her started turning to you. Now you starting to fuck up my mind. Is it you, is it her? We probably trapped in the birds. F29 is my address in case you ain't heard. It's flooding upstairs, it's elite. I don't make it squeak, I make this shit beat. Whatever teeth when I feast. They doing this slide through the streets. It takes a finesse, especially this cabaret cheap. Engine make it hard to creep. Just leave the gate open. Notice I know I'm a creep. Are you about to Terrell? The Nautic is down to the sleep. And are you obsessed by yourself? A minute from there, is this a room for me? Baby, do tell. Tell me if you still love it. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? One-on-one, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. But then again, I can be drunk. Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord, it's flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, you take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying detonate it. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lays it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato. When Shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or a Gramble purse. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, the destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? Or is it peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks, we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important, baby, cause I'm all mine.
Fantasy. Wow. I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know me, don't know me. If I keep thinking, sick on me. Don't know me. Let me teach you all the sounds of love. Baby, this was for you.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Nadula hair, and today I'm reviewing this pre-curled unit from them. This is a 7x5 glueless unit, and instead of doing it like the typical way where you have it like in the middle part and you have it down, I wanted to show you guys another style that you can do with it, because this unit does come styled like straight out of the box, so you guys saw like what that initially looked like, and I just wanted to do something different just because I've reviewed units like that before, and I just wanted to get back into like more like fun creative hairstyles. So this is one that I came up with today, and I played around with it a little bit. I put like these really cute red bows in my hair. You guys know like the bow trend is still going on. We love a good bow. Now mind you guys, this is a closure. This is not a lace front. I know right now it's looking like a lace front because you already know these hands work magic, and yeah, that's what it's giving. It's giving very much so lace front. It's not giving closure whatsoever. And one thing that I really like about this unit was how well it was pre-plucked and how amazing the knots are on this unit, because this unit does come with bleached knots. Like anybody would appreciate a unit that already comes with perfectly bleached knots, and this one is just like perfect. It's toned properly, it's not like brassy, and I also like that the knots are very tiny. There's not like a bunch of big knots, because sometimes, you know, like you'll have a unit, you'll bleach the knots and then you'll still see like parts of the knots that are not bleached, and then you may have to do it like a second time in order to get like fully bleached. This unit is just like perfect. It's not overdone, and I did put some concealer in my part, so if you guys wanted to know like why the part is a little bit wider, that's the reason why, because I did put concealer in my part, but you don't even have to do that. I only did that just because I didn't want like my wig cap and the part where I don't have my wig cap on to show, because there was like a little difference there, just to have everything kind of blend in all together. That's why I put it there, but you don't have to if you do like the ball cap method, which I don't do. If you guys have been following me long enough, you guys know I don't do the ball cap method, and I never do the ball cap method, and my units always come out bomb. So there's that. So yeah, I just put like these cute little buns. I kind of give like, it's kind of giving like a Minnie Mouse kind of vibes. That's how I feel, but it's just so cute. And then I left like a little bit of hair at the end, so it has like these cute little curly pieces like that's at the very end, here and here, since the hair was like already curled. And I'm just really impressed like with how amazing the lace is on this unit. Like The middle part here is completely glueless. The whole unit is glueless, but because I put like baby hairs right here, then that's the part that doesn't really make it like that. But the thing I like about it is that the construction on this unit is amazing, so you really don't need to use any product to adhere the unit. It has 2 straps in this unit, which I love because it just gives you that extra security. It has an elastic band that is adjustable for all head sizes, and then it also has the adjustable straps in the very back, so that part is like nice and snug down on your neck. And then it has like that clear, like that grip strip, I call it a grip strip, that's at the base of the unit as well, like around the perimeter, so that just keeps it like in place, and you don't have to worry about the unit like sliding back or anything. Like, this unit fits me perfectly. I love that about it, and I love the fact that this can literally work for anybody, whether you have a larger head size or a smaller head size, or if you're just average, you know, anybody can fit this unit. And that's so important because sometimes I get units and they're just too big for me. And I never received a unit that was like too small for me because I have like a really small head, but I have received a lot of units that are just way too big for me. They feel big, they feel loose, it feels like a bunch of extra, like, you know, like just material here in the back. And I like the fact that this one, even though I crisscross my straps, everything is just nice and perfect for me, and I love that. So we love the unit that fits well, because that's the essential when it comes to like doing a glueless install. It's all about the fit. If the fit is not right, the glueless install is not going to be doing what it needs to do. So I love the fact that this one has a great fit to it. I also like the fact that it just came pre-styled, like it was styled right out of the box, but I did want to do something different with it just so you guys can see what you can actually do with a unit like this instead of just wearing it in a middle part curled, because I mean, that's just like a no-brainer. Okay, the unit comes like that, you kind of see like what it's already giving, but you wouldn't know that you can do something like this with that. Like, it's giving frontal. Like, I cannot stress that enough. It looks like a frontal. It doesn't look like a closure at all. If I was to tell somebody, yeah, this is a closure, they'd be like, where? Like, because you can't tell that this is like a closure at all. So I love that about it. And even though I have like my sides right here, it's like swooped back and behind my ear, I don't even have to have this behind my ear. I can bring it forward, but I just wanted it behind my ear just because it lays flatter and it's not like all poofy, because I do have like these curls right here. I didn't want them to like blend in too much with the rest of the hair, so this is just what it's giving. Now I will say, with putting like half of the hair up into these space buns or whatever, it does make the lower half look a little bit thinner, but this is not a thin unit by any means. This is a nice full unit. Love that about it. I'm not sure on the density for it. I would say it's between 180%. I would say it's probably about like 180%, maybe 150%, but yeah, definitely 180% from my perspective, but I could be wrong. So definitely make sure you check out that description box if you want to know the exact details to this unit. I really have been into like the jet black units, because if you guys know, a lot of the units that we used to receive before, they were like a dark brown color. It didn't give jet black, you know. This is like a genuine like jet black color. And then look how amazing like this is. It's like pre-plucked so bomb. Like, it's just giving Scalp. They pre-plucked it just perfectly. Like, I literally have no complaints about it. And I love the fact that I was able to put these cute little red bows. You can put any hair accessories you want to right there. You can even do like those butterfly clips, but I thought the little bows were like so perfect and cute for both sides. And I just have them like, I just use like some bobby pins and rubber bands to get this look, and you have to play around with it. It's one of those looks like it doesn't have to be perfect. Like, the buttons are not exactly the same, but it still gives the same kind of vibe. So you can just play around with it if you do want to try this style out. And I like the fact that if you don't want to have like all of it in the front, you can still have it like to the back. You get what I'm saying? And I think this would be a cute look too, like for Halloween, if you wanted to do like a Mickey, if you wanted to do like a Minnie Mouse look. I think this would be cute if you wanted to do a Minnie Mouse kind of look and just do like a little nose or something real cute for a little Halloween party, a little ooh-wop or something like that. But yeah, it's nice. You can have it all off to one side if you want to. Like, I just really like this hair. It's just so fun and like versatile, and that's the great thing about it, because when you have any type of unit and you're investing your money into it, you want to make sure you get your money's worth. And with this being a closure, it's quick and easy to install. It's versatile. You don't have to just keep it in a middle part. You can do a side part. You can do 2 ponytails like how I did. You can do 1 ponytail and 1 bun. You can do like have 2 little curly pieces right here and then have a half up, half down. You can wear it straight. You can obviously wear it curled like how this unit comes for a more classy look. You can definitely play around with it. You can add some layers to it, give it a whole nother kind of vibe. You can cut some bangs in it and have the rest, like, you know, put some bangs and then have the rest of it curled. Play around with it and get your money's worth out of a unit like this, because I know a lot of times people feel like they have to get a frontal, and this is one of those situations where you don't have to buy a frontal. You can literally make it work with this 7x5 closure unit. And the lace is HD, as I'm pretty sure you guys see. The lace is like literally HD. Even when I like took it out of the packaging and I just like put it up to my hand, you guys could see like how amazing it blended in, and that's essential. If you guys like this look, like the video. I need y'all to like the video. If you guys like the video, then we can get in the algorithm and I can get, you know, more views on my videos and get more exposure. So definitely comment, interact with the video. Even if it's just like an emoji, if it's just like even if it's just like a red heart emoji or something like that, then that definitely helps too. But just commenting, liking the video, share the video if you want to on social media. That also helps your girl out, of course. And don't forget to let me know if you guys are feeling it. If you guys like this look, let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, of course, drop them down below. Shout out to Nadula for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.